Hello guys, the second video is the remaining of the first video. We're going to do the second video. In the first video we write the code in XML. In the second video we're going to write the code in Java. So instead of this onClick methods, we are going to write like here. So let's clear this all. Not required. This is also not required. This is also not required. Now come to Java and delete these all methods. Now in here you can write a Java code for that. So like b1 dot set on click listener. This is a listener, actually new onClick listener. This is anonymous class for that, and there is a method onClick method. So when on this button someone clicked, so this block of code will be executed. So you can write your logic here like L layout dot set background color dot, the first button is for red, so we'll make the color red. Now this is for the first button. Do the same for the other buttons also. To take less time, I'm going to copy. This is B2 means second button, and B3 it means third button, and also change the color. Actually what you design will see red, blue, green. So the second one is blue, the third one is green, and now execute your program and check whether it is working or not. Here is the Gradle is building and also it's running. So after building Gradle, then it will create APK sorry, and it will install that application or Android application into system. So here the installation of APK is happening. It's done here. Let's check. Still it's working. Yeah. So there is two ways to handle the onClick method. Button according to your requirement you can do. This is the second. In previous video that was the first one. So I'm going to make another video also related to Android very soon, inshallah. Subscribe to my channel and see you.